Hello candidate. This video will guide you with the steps to take the SOF Olympiad exams in an online mode. This will be a remote proctored exam, where artificial intelligence will be extensively used to monitor the students at all time during the exam, hence it is strongly recommended that you have access to a stable internet connection with minimum 512 kbps of upload speed. The exam can be attempted using a desktop, laptop or mobile. During the examination, cases of malpractice, copying and impersonation etc. are duly booked and reported to SOF to take appropriate action, like disqualification of the respective candidate. Activities like moving away from your seat, reading out questions loudly, using mobile phones, books, earphones, calculators or any other electronic devices will not be tolerated. Before the examination, ensure that you take the practice test on the device which you would be using for the final examination. This would help you get familiarized with the system and ensure that your system is compatible with the examination platform. In case of any technical issue faced during the practice test, feel free to reach out to SOF support number mentioned on the screen. During the final exam, click on the test link received from SOF through SMS or email and follow the instructions. Please ensure that the device being used is same as the one used while attempting the practice test. In case you are using a mobile phone to take the test, please ensure that you keep the mobile phone in an upright position, failing which might result in disqualification. Once the webcam and microphone permissions are provided by the candidate, the system would request for registration the details in a defined format. Please follow the instructions carefully. When asked for photograph, please ensure that you take a clear photograph, as the same might be printed on your certificates. Once you have reached the test page, a system check will run in the background, to check the system compatibility for the test. Carefully read the instructions mentioned, and click on Proceed button. A system check is run automatically in the background, to check the system compatibility for the test. After successful system compatibility check, click Allow button on the pop-up displayed on the top left corner of your screen, to enable the webcam and microphone permissions on your system. Since this is a proctored test, you will need to capture your photo, using your webcam. Your photo will be printed on the certificate being issued to you. Please ensure that the photo is clear, and is not blurry. Click on Capture Your Face button. You can resubmit the photo by clicking or Capture Your Face button if it is not clear. Click on Proceed button after verifying your photo. In this step, recapture your face, capture your own image again, as shown here. Click on Capture Your Face button. You can resubmit the picture by clicking or Capture Your Face button if it is not clear. Click on Submit button after verifying your photo. You can choose the section you wish to attempt first, by selecting from options as shown. Click Start Test button after selecting your choice of section. The test screen would automatically go in full screen mode. Do not exit or refresh your window. In the next step, click Proceed to Test button, after carefully reading the consent message of monitored session as shown below. Do not exit or switch on to any other window applications. Your test is ready to begin. Once you are on the test window, you can start attempting the test. On the test screen you may see Test Time, option to adjust font size and change theme of your test. You can click on the options to select the answer. Use Clear Response, to clear the response attempted for the question. You can also use the Revisit option to mark a question to be reviewed later before finishing the test. The questions marked as Revisit appears in orange color in the question palette as shown. You can switch between the questions by clicking Previous, Next button, using arrow keys displayed on your test screen, using the question palette displayed at the top center of the test screen. Overall question status can be accessed by clicking the pie chart button. Section list can be used to see all the sections in the exam, and the number of questions in each section. Once you are done attempting and reviewing the questions, you can choose to end your test by clicking the Finish Test button. If the time allotted to your test is finished, your test will be auto-completed and submitted. Clicking on the Finish Test shows you the summary of your test. Click on Yes, End Test button, your test will be submitted. Please wait on the test screen while your test is being submitted. After the test ends, you will redirected to the SOF thank you page.